Finally, my favorite halo-halo became more accessible with its new branch in SM Mega Mall. Some may disagree pero ang dami ko nang natikman na halo-halo pero Bebang's remains my favorite halo-halo here in Manila. I ordered the halokay ube for 168, ang laki na ng size niya. They're located at the lower ground floor of SM Mega Mall Building A. Kaso naka-close ngayon ang food court kaya umakyat pa ako sa food court sa 5th level para i-enjoy itong halo-halo ko. Look at the size, ang laki 'di ba? I also like their halo-halo spoon, perfect yung haba. Medyo malayo yung nilakad ko kaya medyo may natunaw na ice pero the ice is still okay. May kaong, pinipig, leche flan, and banana cinnamon on top. Kinain ko muna kasi ayokong magkalat. Ito yung gusto ko sa kanila, yung frozen milky ice na finely crushed. Ice pa lang ang sarap na papakin. Their banana cinnamon, ang sarap, ang lambot, and legit din yung leche flan nila. The ube was just alright for me. The quality of their frozen milky ice is consistent. Yung alam mo yun kahit dineliver na sa house nyo, frozen pa rin and may enjoy mo pa rin yung texture ng finely crushed ice. May langka din pala on top. Ayan, nakain ko na halos lahat and pwede ko nang haluin. Ang gusto ko sa Bebang's halo-halo, pag na-mix mo na lahat, tamang-tama lang yung sweetness niya. Hindi siya nakakaumay kainin o ayan, nakaubos ako ng isang halo-halo. First time to. Kayo ba, what's your favorite halo-halo? Share naman.